to do a Fanboy and Chum-Chum tier list. Everybody, we're here today with a very short video. As you can see, there's like 10 people that are going into this tier list. So, yeah. Today we're doing a tier list of the failed, was it a Nick show? I don't remember. Fanboy and Chum-Chum, which, even back when it originally came out, and I don't even remember how old, I remember thinking it was just the cringiest piece of crap, and I never actually watched it. Still haven't. So this is going purely off of what I've seen in, like, meme clips, and, just looking at the character design. And also reviews. I've watched a few reviews, so I know some of the characters. So we'll be starting here with long guy. What was his name? Boog, something like that. Some made up name. Apologies to anyone named Boog. I don't know. It looks like total Chad. Meanwhile, Chum-Chum, everyone knows this guy is the simp of simps. Simp! Okay, we got ourselves robot guy. Oh, he looks like a bro. As you know, he's just in the robot, so I guess average. So, let's see. We got Fanboy, though. He seems like a whack. Not quite as simp as Chum-Chum, but wait, no, they both lack common sense on every single level and every single way of the word, so yeah, simp. Teacher guy, whack. He's a teacher, that's pretty whack. You got ourselves Kyle, though. Kyle's definitely not a Chad, but bro. I think I was Kyle. Black fast food worker guy, he also seems like a total bro. Other superhero guy that I don't remember the name of, obviously a Chad, he's just generic buff superhero guy. This guy looks like an absolute thug. So he's going in Chad. You know, this person's simping over, I don't remember who she's simping over, but she's simping over one of the characters. So she is the #1 simp. No one is more simp than that. So that was a short video. Bye.